Guys, what's going on? Today we're having a drone day. We're actually out here at Willow Race Springs, Willow something. I don't know, it's a racetrack. And there's a drone. It's far away, drove about an hour and a half to get here. That's basically how far out of Los Angeles you have to go to be able to freely kind of fly some drones. But we're here with some professional drone pilots, and they're gonna show me how much better they are than flying than me. This is like my drone dreams come true. This is what we need. I've been doing everything all wrong. Gear truck with a platform. Filming on the A1 right now. This is the A7S III, and Sony let us borrow this 200 to 600 millimeter lens, and we're gonna see if we can try to follow and track the drones as they're flying. Oh, this is gonna be great.
$10,000 a drone. It's always super relaxing to fly.
I'm stressed for you guys.
What could go wrong, honestly?
Oh gosh, please don't say that.
It's only my camera, so. My name's Jake, I'm from Drone Dudes. We're an aerial cinematography company out of Los Angeles. We specialize in any kind of remote cinematography, so mostly drones. Today we're gonna be flying a couple of different drones. We've got the Money Shot Mini, which Paul Nurk is gonna be flying. He's a DRL world champion, so he's gonna give that thing a proper workout. That's the latest and greatest kind of heavy lift cinema FPV drone. It's carrying the red Komodo, which is like the tiny pocket-sized red camera, and he's gonna be chasing around behind the motorcycles. And then we're gonna flip over to the Inspire 2, which is like a more traditional cinema drone, and even Justine, I think, is gonna get in on the sticks on that.
So do you think that you're gonna trust me opping that camera?
Oh, definitely. You've worked with a lot of cameras and a lot of tech, and this is no different.
I fly a lot of drones, just not FPV full manual. Not ready for that yet. Or maybe I am.
We'll get there.
Hard to say.
Paul's the one to train you up.
It's
so.
true.
We're out here at Willow Springs Raceway. Drone Dudes invited me out to come and fly their Money Shot Mini, which is a drone that carries the red Komodo. And we were chasing a couple awesome motorcycles across the track, and we figured if you wanted to come and hang out, you might as well come fly some drones, check out some cool bikes.
For anybody that doesn't know, like, do you want to give a brief history of like your FPV drone flying background? Because incredibly talented pilot.
Yeah, so I started flying drones in 2014. My in-laws bought me like a toy drone for Christmas one year, and I broke it immediately. I'm like, I'm kind of an engineer. I was a programmer at the time. I was just like, I should be able to figure out how to fix this. So searched around, got a YouTube university education in fixing drones, and along the way discovered drone racing. I just like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to try that. It is the coolest thing in the world. And that took me around the world. I got to go like all across the United States, China, Germany, United Kingdom, and eventually became the 2018 world champion of drone racing.
Yeah.
So it was an awesome year, and I'm so proud to have that title because it gives me opportunity to come out and tell more stories about drones and drone racing and what it can do.
It's so cool. Well, thanks for the invite. This is like the coolest thing ever. I was like, Tyler, we're gonna go fly drones with cool people. Let's go. That was pretty freaking cool. Tat time.
That's your morning walk.
Yeah.
We're just gonna swap the batteries, and I'll give you the tutorial, and if you want to film that or whatever, yeah, however you want to get it.
Nice, I have my hat on, I'm ready.
Are we ready? Let's do it. This is called the Ascendance remote from DJI. It's kind of their like big fancy Inspire remote.
I feel pretty good. I mean, I'm not piloting, I'm just basically camera op, so like what can go wrong?
Perfect. You got him. You got him. Hold it. Oh, yeah! Legit though, anytime that you want to work with us, like, come to it. You did great.
So much fun. I mean, I wasn't actually flying, but like everything that goes into flying drones, I just love it. It's just like such an exhilarating feeling, and it's so fun and just freeing. It was actually great because not having to worry about flying and just focusing on kind of, using the camera and piloting that part is really cool. And I think I just got a job offer, so I'm pretty excited. I wonder when I start. So do I start Monday? Do you want me to come in Monday?
Yeah, so I think,
Okay.
Monday is good for us. It's good for you.
Let me check my schedule. I'm free.
I mean, we have 4 shoots next week, so the sooner you can start, the better.
Great. Dude, that's it. This was so much fun. I love drones. I love flying them. I love watching people fly them. And obviously being here with like the best of the best is so inspiring. I'll put links in the description if you guys want to check out all things drone dudes. And be sure to check out Nurk's YouTube channel because he does so much incredible content with drones. Go check it out. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.